Improve attic access and storage during new home construction to turn wasted space into safe, organized, and climate-aware storage. Start by planning access early so the attic becomes a usable room rather than an afterthought. Choose an insulated pull-down attic stair with integrated weather stripping to limit heat transfer and air leakage. Measure the rough opening precisely and select a model rated for your ceiling height and expected foot traffic. When creating floored storage, reinforce joists to at least 1.5 times the planned load and use 2 layers of 3/4-inch tongue and groove plywood with blocking at ends to prevent deflection. Ceiling-mounted storage racks free up floor space but require locating ceiling joists, using through bolts into full-depth members, and keeping a clear 6-inch pathway for safety and airflow. Add LED lighting on separate circuits or switched motion sensors, and locate fixtures on the attic side of the access to avoid wiring across the hatch. For climate control, install passive ventilation plus a small powered fan sized for the attic volume and maintain continuous soffit and ridge venting. And place stored items in labeled plastic bins raised off the floor on pallets or shelving to prevent moisture damage. Common mistakes begin with undersized or uninsulated access that creates thermal bridging and drafts. Fix this by selecting a rated insulated stair and sealing the perimeter with foam and weather stripping. Another issue is relying on ceiling joists as a walking surface, which causes deflection and safety risk. Solve that by reinforcing joists to the load you intend to store and installing a continuous subfloor system. A third problem is poor ventilation and lighting that turns the attic into a hot, dark, and mold-prone area. Correct this by ensuring uninterrupted soffit to ridge ventilation, adding a properly sized exhaust fan if needed, and installing adequate lighting with accessible switches or motion sensors. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors for attic upgrades and storage projects, and we help contractors find work by listing their services for homeowners to discover. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, project photos, and contractor experiences to help everyone plan better attic access and storage upgrades.